Hey guys, today we're gonna fix the socket issue. So if we try to run our React project, let's try. We got some socket issues. As you can see, ENOTSUP operation not supported on socket 0.0.0.5000 port. So what we are gonna do, this is the error number. So what we are gonna do, let's clear the console first. Okay, we're gonna go to server. We're gonna select the index and let's set the port and the host constant. This is constant, so I'm gonna write it as it is. And also host. You can find it on the description also, okay? So I'm just gonna use it as a template, but 01. So what we are gonna do, set the port. Set the host. Sorry. And also this one. I'm gonna remove this part and just try to run it. As you can see, there is no error, nothing is issued. So let's go to the Chrome. So this is working. Great. Thanks for watching. Please